As the world around us changes, the retail point-of-sale landscape is evolving faster than ever. As it does, there are some things you can count on time after time, like the reliability and security of a cash drawer by APG. For more than 40 years, customers have trusted APG for their point-of-sale solutions, and the top-of-the-line Legend series is no exception. These drawers have a unique lock and latch mechanism to prevent unauthorized break-ins and are expertly designed and built with all-steel construction and industrial-grade ball-bearing slides for effortless performance and long-term durability. APG drawers stand up to the rigor of high-volume daily use and can withstand more than 4 million cycles. These superior drawers are designed to last, so you'll have peace of mind knowing you've made the right choice. APG offers a wide range of best-in-class cash management solutions, like the Minota, Arlo, and Vasario cash drawers. You can depend on the safety, security, and reliability of these cash drawers. After all, cash drawers aren't meant to be a safe, but you do expect them to be secure. Don't be fooled by competitors claiming secure cash management in any retail environment. Users know APG cash drawers are tough and virtually immune to criminals. With other cash drawers, thieves are ready to steal a day's worth of profits in just seconds with a basic credit card, a standard screwdriver, or a simple fist strike to the side. Be wary of competitors promising industry-leading strength. Many use flimsy till material, so an accidental drop or warping can result in a cracked or broken till, causing extra expenses and downtime when you least expect it. Often, competitors have so many mechanical components, the risk of failure increases with every transaction, making it just a matter of time before the drawer is out of order. Don't compromise. Petty snatch-and-go theft tactics could be prevented with these cash drawers. It's why customers around the world count on APG. Get the right product for the right environment. Your business depends on it. Now more than ever, trust APG to deliver safe, secure, and reliable cash drawers. Now and in the future.